industries could continue to produce. Because as you remember, as I said earlier, this was not just a health crisis, it was also a social and economic one. And how we would keep our economy afloat despite this setback. Medical products and supplies were running low, with the entire globe fighting the pandemic, and it became difficult to readily access many products. And once again, I want to thank our private sector, because upon consultation, we commissioned our manufacturing industry to begin using their existing lines to make things like ICU beds and units from scratch, to increase oxygen production, to make masks as opposed to t-shirts and other things that they were making for other markets. They started making masks, they started making PPEs, they started making sanitizers, they started making all manner of medical equipment that was to prove critical during this period. And we also realized that the need was growing as the virus was spreading far and wide and in scales that we had not witnessed, that without, once again, the help of private sector, we would not have been able to keep the deaths to the levels that they were. We were further, as a result of that initiative, able to increase our ICU beds from, at the time, 537 to 1,353 ICU beds, a good number of those made by our local manufacturers, giving those infected by the virus a fighting chance.